Hello everyone, my name is Neenu Saini, Extension Lecturer, Government College, Faridabad. Today I am going to discuss some applications of Maxwell equations. Here are the two applications. These two equations were there in the examination December 2019. These are the unsolved examples. Now I am going to solve from the first one. First one is Cp minus Cv equals to minus T curly V by curly T at constant pressure square dP by dV at constant T. First I am going to solve this one. As we all know, molar specific heat at constant pressure and constant volumes are Cp and Cv. Cp is equals to curly Q upon curly T at constant P, and Cv is curly Q at curly T at constant V. This is my equation number 1. 2. As we all know, curly Q is equals to T curly S. By substituting the value of curly Q in equation 1 and 2, we get Cp as T curly S upon curly T at constant P, Cv as T curly S upon curly T at constant V. From second law of thermodynamics, curly Q is equals to T curly S. By substituting the value curly Q in equation 1 and 2, we get equation 3 and 4, Cp and Cv. Now, as we all know, entropy S can be considered as a function of T and V, and dt is a perfect differential, so we can write ds as ds is equals to curly S upon curly T at constant V dt plus curly S upon curly V at constant T dV. Now, this is because ds is a perfect differential, so we can write ds as equation number 5. Now differentiating equation number 5 with respect to T at constant P, that is curly S upon curly T at constant P is equals to curly S upon curly T at constant V plus curly S upon curly V at constant T curly V upon curly T at constant P. This is my equation number 6. As we all know, Maxwell equation, we can write the shortcut form of Maxwell equation T V special program, and by writing curlies and equating. This is our Maxwell equation. This is in clockwise direction, so here the value will be positive. Here T constant, here V constant. This is my Maxwell equation. Here I am using in this Maxwell equation in equation number 6. I am substituting the value of this Maxwell in equation number 6. Then the equation becomes curly S upon curly T at constant P equals to curly S upon curly T at constant V plus I am using the value, that is curly P upon curly T at constant V, curly V upon curly T at constant P. This is my equation number 7. Now, as we on multiplying equation number 7 by T, I am here multiplying equation number 7 by T. This is my result. Now from equation 3 and 4, this is the value of Cp and this is the value of Cv. Now I am substituting the values. Cp equals to Cv plus T curly P upon curly T at constant V, curly V upon curly T at constant P. This is my equation number 8. Now, as we all know, dP is a perfect differential and is a function of volume and temperature. So dP can be written as dP is equals to curly P upon curly V at constant V dV plus curly P upon curly T at constant V dt. When pressure remains constant, P is equals to constant, means dP is equals to 0. The differentiation of P is 0. Now substituting this value in equation 9, we get dP equals to 0, and this equation becomes curly P upon curly V at constant V dV plus curly P upon curly T at constant V dt. Now by taking this in the right hand side, we get dP upon dV at constant V dV equals to minus curly P upon curly T at constant V dt. Now substituting this value in equation number 8. The value of curly P by curly T at constant V into dt. So the equation number 8 becomes Cp equals to Cv minus T curly V upon curly T at constant P square curly P upon curly V at constant T. This is our desired result which we have to find out. This result was obtained by using the second equation dp and substituting the value in equation number 8. Now I am going to solve the second equation, that is TdS equals to Cp dt minus T curly V upon curly T at constant P dp. As we all know, entropy, S is entropy, U is internal energy, H is enthalpy and V is volume. The enthalpy of a gas remains constant when a gas is allowed to escape through a porous plug on account of pressure difference. So H enthalpy is equals to U plus PV. In porous plug experiment, enthalpy remains constant, means H is constant. By differentiating dH, the differentiation of constant is 0, 0, that is du plus pdv plus v dp. From the first law of thermodynamics, this is my first equation, that is du plus pdv plus bdp equals to 0, first equation. As we all know from the first law of thermodynamics, mathematical form dq is equals to du plus pdv. From second law of thermodynamics, dq is equals to tds. By equating second and third, dq equal, from here we get tds is equals to du plus pdv. TDS is equals to du plus pdv. By substituting the value of du plus pdv from equation 4th in equation 1, we get du plus pdv is equals to TDS. So here I am writing TDS plus VDP equals to 0. From here VDP is equals to minus TDS, equation number 5. As entropy is a function of independent variable temperature and pressure, so we can write ds as curly S upon curly T at constant P dt plus curly S upon curly P at constant T dp. Now I am substituting the value of this dc in equation number 5. We will get VDP equals to minus T curly S upon curly T at constant P dt plus curly S upon curly P at T dp. From equation 5 and 6, BDP, left hand sides are equal, so right hand sides should be equal. From here we get minus TDS equals to minus T curly S upon curly T at constant P dt minus T curly S upon curly P at constant T dp. This is my equation number 7. Here we will use the concept of specific heat at constant pressure, and here we will substitute the value from Maxwell equation, that is, as we know, specific heat at constant pressure Cp is equals to T curly S upon curly T at constant P, and from the Maxwell equation curly S upon curly P at constant T equals to minus curly B by curly T at constant P. TV special program anti-clockwise, so here the negative sign. This is the definition of specific heat. Now I am substituting these values in equation number 7. From here we will get the desired equation, that is Cp dt minus T curly V upon curly T at constant pressure is equals to TDS. This is our desired result. These two equations were asked in MDU examination December 2019. Thank you.